This just arrived from Dmadebags. So these are a variety of pouches that I got from Dmadebags. These pouches are such a great size, and the quality of manufacturing on these are awesome. And they are all manufactured by one guy, David. So I've got this blaze orange with an indigo blue on the inside. The rest of these are in UVX40 to match my new Alpha 31. So I've got a small, medium, and large pouch here, and they all have a blaze orange VX25 interior. And this pencil pouch will perfectly fit inside the front pockets of the Alpha 31. I'm excited about the synergy here, come on. And by the way, I'm wearing all westernized clothing. You can use my link down below to get 15% off of all their products. I'm so excited to try these out and use these, and I'll include a link to Dmadebags down below. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.